Know all about protein. Protein. Welcome back to our channel Vital Signs, where we explore topics that are essential for a healthy lifestyle. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the world of protein. What is protein? How much do we need daily? And what are some amazing benefits and delicious food sources? Stay tuned as we uncover everything you need to know about protein. Before we get started, let's understand the basics. Protein is one of the three macronutrients our bodies need to function properly, along with carbohydrates and fats. It's often referred to as the building block of life. So, what exactly does protein do for our bodies? The importance of protein. Protein plays a crucial role in numerous bodily functions. First and foremost, it helps repair and build tissues, including muscles, skin, and organs. It's also responsible for the production of enzymes, hormones, and antibodies, which are essential for a healthy immune system. Furthermore, protein provides energy and helps regulate metabolism. Now that we know why protein is important, let's talk about how much we need on a daily basis. Daily protein requirement. The recommended daily protein intake varies depending on factors such as age, gender, and activity level. On average, adult men should aim for about 56 grams, while adult women should aim for around 46 grams. However, athletes and individuals engaged in intense physical activity may require more protein to support muscle recovery and growth. 10 benefits of protein. Now, let's explore the incredible benefits of consuming an adequate amount of protein. 1. Muscle growth and repair. Protein provides the necessary amino acids to promote muscle growth and repair. 2. Weight management. Protein helps you feel full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of overeating and aiding in weight management. 3. Increased metabolism. Protein has a higher thermic effect, meaning it requires more energy to digest, leading to a slightly higher metabolic rate. 4. Stronger immune system. The antibodies produced from protein play a vital role in supporting a healthy immune system. 5. Enhanced brain function. Protein is involved in the production of neurotransmitters, which are essential for optimal brain function. 6. Improved bone health. Protein contributes to the development and maintenance of strong and healthy bones. 7. Better skin and hair. Protein is necessary for the growth and repair of skin, hair, and nails, keeping them healthy and vibrant. 8. Stable blood sugar levels. Protein helps slow down the absorption of glucose, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. 9. Faster workout recovery. Consuming protein after exercise aids in muscle recovery and reduces post-workout soreness. 10. Long-term health benefits. A diet rich in protein has been linked to a lower risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. 10 food sources of protein. Now that we know the benefits, let's explore some fantastic food sources that are high in protein. Remember, a varied diet is key to getting all the essential amino acids. 1. Lean meat. Chicken, turkey, and lean cuts of beef are excellent sources of protein. 2. Fish and seafood. Salmon, tuna, and shrimp are not only delicious but also packed with protein. 3. Eggs. A single egg contains about 6 grams of protein and is a versatile ingredient in many dishes. 4. Dairy products. Milk, Greek yogurt, and cottage cheese are rich in protein and calcium. 5. Legumes. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are plant-based protein powerhouses. 6. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, chia seeds, and hemp seeds provide a healthy dose of protein and healthy fats. 7. Quinoa. This grain is a complete protein source and perfect for vegetarian and vegan diets. 8. Tofu and tempeh. These soy-based products are popular among vegetarians and vegans due to their high protein content. 9. Greek yogurt. Creamy and packed with protein, Greek yogurt is an excellent snack or breakfast option. 10. Protein supplements. Protein powders and bars can be a convenient way to supplement your protein intake, especially for those with busy lifestyles. Dietitians' advice should be taken before consuming supplements. And there you have it, protein demystified. From understanding its importance and daily requirements to discovering the remarkable benefits and delicious food sources, we hope this video has shed light on the incredible world of protein. Remember, incorporating protein-rich foods into your diet is key to a healthy and balanced lifestyle. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. As always, stay healthy and take care. Until next time. Thanks for watching.